Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. Today only a quick update here. It's weekend and the market is getting a bit quiet after the wild movements that we saw here on this chart on Thursday and Friday. Let's do a bit of a recap here. So what we obviously talked about over the last 2 to 3 weeks since that crash that happened on the 10th of October was the importance of getting back above the green line, right? 50 cents remains my key level here, a key signal level. Honestly, as long as we stay below it, this is all a range, even though we broke briefly, but not decisively, above this swing high from the 11th at around 43 cents. After recovering, after that 10th of October low to the 11th of October high, by the way, this was a 250% recovery, the market crashed again 55%. I did not go all the way bearish, but said to you this is quite a lot of weakness and we need to see a reaction to the upside before the price breaks below 15.6 cents. To keep the scenario alive that we could be starting a larger recovery. And so the market dipped into support, reacted to a perfect technical level, which is the 61.8 retracement at 19.4 cents, and now we are recovering. But is this already the low? Could this be a B wave low? It could, by the way, it could also be a 1-2 setup here, but I've labeled it as AB for various reasons. But it could be a 1-2 anyway. To really give us a further confirmation that a meaningful low is in, I need to see 5 waves up. Is that gonna be enough? Not really, because technically speaking, this could just be a high B wave, A wave down, A, B, C. B wave does overshoot, and then a 5 wave move up. But with that overshooting B wave to the downside and the reaction exactly to the 61.8 retracement, I think there is a realistic chance that we've bottomed already, but we need to hold after getting 5 waves up. So we need to get 5 waves up anyway. After getting 5 waves up in this move, which could be in the white count, a B wave, or in the orange count, a wave 1, we need to hold a higher low in the wave 2. At the moment, my focus is not yet on that. My focus is actually on whether the bulls can defend this micro support region, which is between 31.4 cents and 38.6 cents. I shared that with you yesterday. This is the nearest micro support area that the bulls need to defend. If we can get another high from here, then this would be a 5 wave move up from the Tuesday low and could constitute either wave C of B in the white count, and another low might be coming, or at least another test of lower support, or it is wave 1 in the orange count. Without those 5 waves, I think probabilities that we're actually turning around to the upside are still reduced, limited, but with a proper 5 wave move up, we have the first solid confirmation. But the only way to distinguish between the white count, which obviously would also not be overall bearish, right? It would just basically be maybe a marginally lower low. But to distinguish between these two, we need to see a 3-wave pullback in the orange count. Then this would be rather orange, because wave C to the downside is 5 waves. So a corrective pullback in 3 waves and a higher low. That is what we have to watch for. But for now, the immediate focus is on whether the bulls can give us one more high. To do that, and to keep the idea of a reversal intact, we need to hold above 31.4 cents, the 50% retracement, because that level keeps the impulsive upside potential alive. That's just a quick update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. There are also some exclusive updates over there and some video updates and so on. So check it out. Link is in the comment section. Bye-bye.